I brought these so you can see the size. I don't know if it makes a difference.
I can size it because every watch is different.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Yeah, I had to get, because I have a gold, I have a silver. I need a mix.
Wait, did you shop at Texas?
For this?
No, for this one.
I ordered it offline.
Okay, you just look familiar.
Oh, do I? Oh, I got that face.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I am.
Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air in West Philadelphia. Born and raised on the playground is where I spent most of my days, chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all shooting some b-ball outside of the school. When a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little.
Yeah.
Are you on YouTube or TikTok?
Yep, you both, everything. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Shout out to all my homegirls and my homeboys. Y'all have been supporting me and holding me down on Instagram. Y'all know I was out for the count, but I'm back. I had to really take some time off and just get my mind together, because really New Year's started in February. So at this point, we're starting fresh. So Happy New Year to everybody out there. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for dropping in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and just let me know if you're feeling the vibes, period. But for all my virtual homegirls and homeboys out there, y'all already know how we get down. So this particular vlog is like a maintenance vlog, but really like a birthday preparation type of vlog. It's giving those kind of vibes. So I already did some of the basics already. Like my little toesy boesies. I'm about to go get this hair slayed because it's giving very much need help. And I'm gonna do my nails. It's giving very much need help. So yeah, it's just I'm not feeling it. But needless to say, I'm super excited for my birthday. Oh my gosh, I'm turning 29. This is about to be my last year. Hold on. Yeah, I'm at the gas station, so give me 2 seconds. Okay, I'm back. But anyway, I'm about to go get my hair done. I'm getting ready to prepare for my first trip, y'all. Check this out. When I said first, this is my first solo trip. Can't believe it. Yeah, so we'll get into all the details a little bit later, but I just have the maintenance part, and then I'm going to take y'all behind the scenes for my B-Day photo shoot preparation, makeup, all look cute, glitz and glamour. So y'all keep rocking out, tune in with me, and then yeah, I'll be checking in with y'all frequently. I'm gonna do much better. It's a new month, so I'm back. Okay, I got my car back. For those who know, I had gotten in a car accident, but I'm okay. My car is back to normal and it's brand new at this point. So yeah, I'm gonna rock it out. But other than that, it's gonna be my 29th birthday and I'm super excited to be sharing it with y'all. So I will check back in with y'all a little bit later.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Don't open your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't been like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. From the crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home.
Hey guys, today is Sunday and it is photo shoot day for my birthday. So I am getting dressed now and literally about to head to my makeup artist to get my makeup done. And then I'm gonna head back home, which is here. Head back home and then to the hotel where we're gonna be taking the pictures. I'm super excited. I'm over here packing my bag up now, make sure I got everything, checking in, checking out, all that good stuff. So let's get into it.
Bitches in my phone. I should call up and go home. this club to the woman that I wanna try is happy with a good guy, but I've been drinking so much that I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. Must be fuck that nigga that you think you found. Since you picked up, I know he's not around. I'm just saying you can. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you do better. And I'll start
Girl, but you are so.
No, you. Nah, sis.
But you, so I was trying to.
Nah, like.
Look, I was trying to match the energy with the dress, so I try to keep that dramatic.
You did
right
just
here,
that.
and I try to like.
Nah, at this
Just gotta
point.
slay this shoe.
Nah.
I could easily blend that. I was like, nah, I wanted. That's what I wanted.
Nah. At this point. Yeah, nah. Yeah, I'll be back. I will. For sure.
Yeah, that's why I ain't trying to mess with you, baby. Here, if I can.
Yeah, I'm coming back. Yeah.
Yes, take the head down.
Now I'm ready.
Head down.
Now I'm ready. Now I'm
And
ready.
then, hold on, let me show you the other way.
Ooh,
You so
girl.
I'm not playing with you.
No, girl, you select. And I'm not even a red lip girl, and you
No,
just.
that red is perfect.
I'm gonna have to buy it,
It's
cause
still so right now. That red is perfect on you.
nah, you did just what needed to be done.
Hold on. Girl, your face
I pressed.
is hell.
Let me tag my makeup artist right now.
Hold on, say it again.
Let me tag my makeup artist right now. Okay? I'm gonna tag her for the girls. Okay, but I book first. I book first. Period, y'all. Period. 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 Ooh, period. Nah, you killed. Nah, you did what exactly needed to be done. Shout out to my girl Shayla. I will drop her information, her handles in the description box below.
I'm just saying you do better.